You are connecting with your true nature. Trust in the direction you're being guided to take. It's time for new discoveries. You are divinely guided and protected. The efforts you make, the actions you take are going to create an abundant outcome. You are a light, a healer for others. Share your wisdom. Forgive. Let go of what doesn't serve you and set your heart free to be happy. This new beginning, this new energy is allowing you to step forward into a new beginning so that you may embrace your strength, your courage,